First stop at my local screw fix, picked up some FireAngel hardwired smoke alarms. As you can see on the pictures, customers' old smoke alarms were missing or hanging off and not working, so he wanted them replacing with some new hardwired ones. I went for these FireAngel smoke alarms, nice and easy to install. Got a battery backup, plug it in, clip it onto the base, make sure you tie it up after yourself, and there you have it, brand new smoke alarm system, all commissioned, working as it should.